Mommy, can I have these cookies, please?
I got this.
Oops.
Don't let a low-quality oven ruin your baking. The Kitmens Mini Convection oven has two NTC temperature sensors to ensure accurate temperature and stable heat in the oven.
Mommy, is it time to switch a tray?
Sweetie, we don't need to do that anymore. With a dual rotation fan that rotates clockwise and anti-clockwise every 60 seconds, heat is evenly distributed to every corner, eliminating uneven cooking. And with 10 multi-preset programs, baking a variety of delicious foods has never been easier.
Mommy, can I have these cookies?
Not yet. Cleaning up after baking is so easy with the ceramic coated surface, which is resistant to stains, scratches, and also rust. The Kitmens Mini Convection Oven is suitable for your home or business usage. It will definitely bring your baking game to a whole new level. Get yours now to enjoy effortless baking and satisfying results.